Hi, my name is Gulnaz Siganporia.
I'm Tarun Nathani.
My name is Priyanka Vadva.
My name is Nikunj Mehta.
When I first got to know about this trip, I quickly went online and I looked up. The pictures just took me to another level, like where I just thought of it as my canvas. Like the scenery, the landscapes, everything is beautiful, and I want to be there to experience it with my colleagues and to be there myself and have a wonderful time. I'm really looking forward to this trip.
One of the many reasons I'm excited because it's a road trip and it doubles up because of the 360-degree scenic beauty around the valley.